Guys, welcome to this new tutorial, and today we are going to cover the 26 version and so how you can configure the color of the arcs. Now let's make an example. So the configuration is made by degrees and kilometers or knots. So the device supports the famous colors, so the knotting, white, green, yellow and red. Then you can choose to have kilometers or knots per hours. Now how it can be configurable? To reflect the your primary instrument, you can choose whenever you want to start the kilometers or the knots, and then how much it is going to be at the end. So in this case, to simplify the situation, we decided to have degree equals to the kilometers, but it's up to you. You can choose all of the values to reflect your primary instruments. Now, how is working? It is working by degree. So you're going to set whenever an arc is going to start and whenever an arc is going to finish. So for example, when the white arc is going to start, we set 45 degrees and end at 90 degrees. The green start at 90 and finish at 180. Then the yellow from 180 to 170, and then the red arc. So this is this configuration that may reflect your primary instrument. You can move around, you can choose, you can change, it's up to you. What we are going to tell you that to facilitate the instrument, we decide that each tick, each slice can be up to 15 degrees. So 0, 15, 30, 45, and whatever, it's up to 360. So, but the minimum slice is 15. So you are going to choose 15 whenever it's going to start and whenever it's going to finish. Now let's go to the configuration panel. So here we go. We changed some colors in the 26. We improved the reliability of the device. Then we changed and improved all the stuff. Then we later on we will look at this. But let's go and configure this. We added also the map that is loading. We look it later on. So the famous bullets, then you go back. Let's go ahead and check how to configure it. So this is the first number is whenever the start degree and then finish degree. So in this case we have 0 and 270. 0 and 217. Then how much speed? It will be from 0 kilometers to 270. Why is kilometers? Because there is metric units. You can change and set imperial. It's up to you. Then you have white arc is starting at 45 degree, green arc is starting at 90 degree, yellow is 180, and then the red after the 270. When you change this, you need to remove the power and power again the device, so it's not immediately. So if we want to change the, as example, when the red arc or when the, let me say that this is simple, when the white arc start degree, now is white arc W is 45, we want to move to 60 as example, and now will be on 60. This will reflect all the stuff. Then going back to this changelog of today, what I can remember to you is that whenever you finish a device, send me the serial number to keep the track, and also remember to calibrate in your office when it is stable. So it will going to store in the device what is the zero level for the gyroscope. So remember this. Then this is the other settings that we covered the last time, and this time we are going to show you that we have auto QNH enabled. So I'm going to show you what it is. So this is one feature, and then the other feature requested by our friends is that if you tap on the top left, you are going always on the attitude indicator. So what is auto QNH feature? The auto QNH feature is automatically enabled, and then you are going to enable it by pressing QNH, and it's going to apply the QNH here. And then whenever you travel using a fusion algorithm, it is going to understand which is the best QNH for you. So it's going to automatically set the QNH. But in case you are traveling and the ATC is going to set you the QNH, just tap as always, and then up and down. And if you're going to tap, it is going back to manually. So don't worry, it will work in a safest way. Then if you want to go back, exactly, so in this case, he suggests me QNH 1012. So now it is automatically, and this is automatically updated. Now I'm the home, so it's, the GPS is not going very well, but overall the big picture is the same. We changed the colors of a few instruments just to be more readable, and then we are going to improve the performance. As example, we improved the performance of the map. Now we have loading that tell you that the screen is blocked. And then let's show you how much is improved. Now you tap loading and the tile is already loaded. So it's very fast respect on the previous version. Then another fix that we have applied, that is if you try to tap and tap again, the overall big picture will be automatically managed. So the loading stuff is managed to tell you that we are busy. Then thank you to the other guys that are helping on the project. We fixed also the GPS position that is now more reliable. So this is one of the features that we added. Then we improved the scroll left or right. We have a few problems, but now it's very fast, and then it is going better. The famous checklist settings, as we already showed you, and then whenever you are, if you tap on top left, you go back here. So this is the most important stuff for this 26.